Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sujata. In this video, we are going to learn about articles. Okay. So, a, an and the are called articles, right? So, articles are like adjectives and are used before nouns. Okay. So, we have two types of articles in English language. That is indefinite articles, okay, a, an. Definite article, only the. Okay. So, let us go briefly. Indefinite article, a or an is called the indefinite article because it doesn't indicate a particular person or thing. Okay, let us see some examples. He bought an ink bottle yesterday. Okay, he bought an ink bottle. Okay, yesterday. She saw a peacock yesterday. A peacock yesterday. Okay, and likewise, definite article. Okay, the is only the definite article, right? The is called definite article because it can express a particular person or thing. Okay, a or an or not indicate or doesn't indicate a particular person. Here, the expresses a particular person or thing. Simple. Okay, easy to remember. Example is she saw the tiger yesterday. Okay, she saw the tiger yesterday. Okay, so a is used before singular noun which begins with consonant sound. Okay, just remember simply a is used before singular noun which begins with consonant sound. Okay, so I gave some examples here. Okay, before consonant sound, a boy, a girl, a man, a car, a train, a student. Okay, likewise $1,000,000. Okay, wherever we sound like a consonant sound, we can get the consonant sound. Okay, before singular noun, then we use a. Okay, articles a comes before y. Okay, before y, a ear, a yard, a yellow dress. Okay, before y, y letter. Okay, next article a starting with e o u vowels and it sounds like consonants. Okay, articles a starting with e o u, okay, and it sounds like consonants. Okay, so before starting EOU, but it sounds like consonants. Then before that you have to write A. A European, European. Okay, it starts with, begins with a vowel, right? E, but sounds like a consonant. U. Okay, YU, European, European. A one rupee note. A university. Okay, I'll tell you briefly about these vowel sounds. Okay, vowel sound, consonant sounds. Okay, how we pronounce and okay, how it gets. I'll tell you in the coming videos. Okay, with phonetics. Okay, and clear accent also. Well, let us continue. An is used before singular noun which begins with vowel sound. in above before EOU, okay, a letter, a word starting with EOU, but it sounds like a consonant, right? Clear. Here, before singular noun, which begins with vowel sound, okay, there it is a consonant sound, and here it is a vowel sound. An ant, okay, an author, an aeroplane, an American, an application, an Australian. Okay. Likewise, you can mention an. Next, you have to remember AI vowel gives vowel sounds. Okay. Definitely, you have to remember blindly. AI vowels gives vowel sounds. Only in such case, just write an. Okay. Definitely, A and I are the vowels, right? So, in that, it sounds like a vowel sound. Before that, you can write an. An ant, okay, starts with A. An Indian, okay, I. An idiot, an apple, okay. Next, abbreviation starts with F, H, L, M, N, okay, R, S, and X. Then we use and. Just blindly remember this, okay. If a word or abbreviation starts with F, H, L, M, N, R, S, and X, then we use an FCRA, an NRI, an RMP doctor, an HMT, an RTC, an MCA, okay, an LIC, an MP, an MLA, okay. If H is silent in English language, then we use and before those words, okay, and R, okay. H is silent here, okay, R, and air, an honest person, honorable person, okay. Before that, we have to give an. Next, the, okay. The is used before singular and plural words. Okay, the is used before singular and plural words, but it doesn't depend on either vowel or consonant sound. Okay, it doesn't depend on either vowel or consonant sound. Okay, whatever the sound it may be. Okay, the is clearly you have to mention before singular and plural words. Okay, I mentioned some geographical items. Okay, the Krishna, the Godavari, the Ganga, the Nile. Okay, these are the rivers. The Bay of Bengal, the Red Sea, the Black Sea or the seas, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean or the oceans. Okay, you have to mention it clearly. Next, travels, Rajdhani Express, general items, okay, banks, holy books, sporting events, newspapers, okay. Next, important points you have to remember to use the, okay. Wherever it is required, you have to use, but you have to blindly remember these key points, okay. We use the before superlative degrees, okay. In English, if the word ends with st or est, then that word is known as a superlative degree, right? So for that superlative degree, before you have to mention the clearly, the best, the tallest, the most, the richest, okay. The word ends with st or est. Next, honest is not a superlative degree here. So we cannot use the before honest. Okay, Dr. Kalpana is an honest woman. Okay, so in above previously we said what honest, honest. Okay, where we had seen here, I'll show it. Okay, here H is silent, right? So before honest man, we use an. Okay, so it is not a the before it. Next, next point is I. Okay, if an adjective turns to plural noun, then we use the before it. If an adjective turns to plural noun, okay, poor, the poor, okay, rich, the rich, wise, the wise, brave, the brave, likewise. Next, use the for a particular language speaking people, okay, the Telugu people, the English people, French people, Marathi people, likewise. Use the for a particular country people, the Indians, the Americans, okay. Use the before honorable posts or jobs, okay. The principal, the collector, the chief minister, the MLA, the MP, okay, like that. Next, the is used before countries which has plurals. Okay, the Netherlands. Okay, the United States, plural होता the West Indies. Okay, likewise. And we cannot use before the South Africa. It's not a plural, right? The India. Okay, not a plural, right? The is used before universal unique. The sky, the sun, the earth, the stars, the moon, the satellite, like that. Okay. Next, the is used before two comparative degrees in one sentence. Two comparative degrees. Okay. Like example, the higher you climb, the colder it gets. Comparative. Comparisons is there, right? Higher you climb, the colder it gets. Okay. Comparatively same. And you have to write the for those two comparative degrees. Next, the more you work, the more you earn. Okay. The is used before a particular person, place, thing. Like, he is the boy who gotten first prize. He is the boy, person, who gotten first prize. Okay. Particular person got a first prize. Let us go to the garden. Let us go to the school. Let us go to the college. Let us go to the park. Okay. This is the school which I studied SSC. Okay, in that particular school, I studied SSC. Next, die is used when a singular word repeated twice in a same sentence. Okay, a particular singular word repeated twice in a same sentence. Then in such case we have to use the. Okay, he bought a dress last week, but the dress was not good. Simple. He bought a dress last week, but the dress was not good. We're talking about dress here. Okay, it repeated twice. Then we use it before the. I hope you understand these articles. So we'll see examples in coming videos also. You can get clear. Okay, please do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you need the complete notes, then please do comment me. Thank you.